Sora, launched by OpenAI in February 2024, is a significant development in AI. It's a text-to-video generator, meaning you describe a scene and it creates a realistic or fantastical video based on your description. Here's a breakdown of its importance, applications, pros and cons, but there's no public information about pricing yet. Importance. Sora is important because it pushes the boundaries of AI video generation. It creates incredibly realistic and detailed videos, making it a valuable tool for various fields. Applications. Sora's applications are vast. Filmmaking, imagine storyboarding or concept trailers made with AI-generated visuals. Education, complex scientific concepts or historical events could be brought to life with simulations. Marketing and design, product demos, explainer videos, or concept art creation could become much faster and more efficient. Video games, imagine creating realistic in-game environments or cutscenes based on text descriptions. Architecture and design, architects and designers could use Sora to visualize their ideas before building them. Pros. Stunning realism, Sora generates high-quality videos with incredible detail, blurring the line between real and AI-created footage. Pros. Stunning realism, Sora generates high-quality videos with incredible detail, blurring the line between real and AI-created footage. Comprehension and complexity, it understands the physical world, allowing for realistic interactions between objects and characters in complex scenes. Versatility, it can create realistic or artistic videos in various styles, from animation to classic film. Cons. Ethical concerns, the ability to create such realistic videos raises concerns about deepfakes and the spread of misinformation. OpenAI needs to ensure responsible use. Job displacement, as AI takes over video creation tasks, some jobs in creative industries could be impacted. Limited access, currently, Sora is in invite-only beta testing, so widespread use isn't happening yet. Price. There's no publicly available information about Sora's pricing yet. As it's in beta testing, it might be free for a limited time or offered through a subscription model when it becomes commercially available. Overall, Sora is a powerful tool with immense potential. However, ethical considerations and potential job displacement need to be addressed. We'll have to wait and see how OpenAI prices and distributes this technology.